Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1.
Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy flower. So let's get started. To make this flower, I'm going to use Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. I'm going to make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert into the ring. And I'm going to make 3 triple crochets. So that was 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to single crochet in the ring. And that's the first petal. I'm going to repeat that to make 5 petals in my ring. So chain 2, 1, 2, 3 triple crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and just push all those over and single crochet in the ring. And that's the second petal. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make 3 more petals in my ring. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made my 5 petals in the ring. Now I'm going to make the leaf. To make a leaf, I'm going to start with my slip knot and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. I'm going to carry that yarn end along the outside of the ring, and I should have mentioned you also should do that when you're making your flower, because then you can close the hole by just pulling on the end of the yarn. So I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in the ring, and then I'm going to double crochet in the ring, and then I'm going to triple crochet in the ring, like that. And I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to slip stitch in the top of that triple crochet, and that will form the point of the leaf. And I'm going to triple crochet, and I'm going to double crochet, and I'm going to single crochet, and that's my leaf. And now I'm just going to fasten off. And so that yarn end that you worked around can now be pulled and close that hole in the leaf. So there's the flower, and there's the leaf, and I'm going to make 1 more leaf. Okay, I have my second leaf. And now I'm going to cut 3 lengths of green yarn 12 inches long, like that. And I'm going to knot the 2 ends, just to hold all these yarn ends together, like that. Okay, now I have all my components made. I'll tie the 2 yarn ends from the flower in the back, trim off the end, thread the yarn ends from the leaf into a yarn needle. I'm going to place that on the back of the flower and sew it. And I'm going to attach this one right beside that, like that. And I'm going to bring this over, and I'm just going to find a stitch on the back, and I'm going to pull those yarn ends through, and I'm going to tie it into a bow, like that. And now I can sew a button in the center, and there you have an easy crochet flower that you can add to hats or scarves, or you could attach it to a barrette and use it for a hairpin, or put a brooch pin on the back and use it as a brooch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.